So look, you guys, I want to give you a good shot without the light. Here's with the light. Problem is when I shine it that way, you see so much of the plastic and the I-beams and all that. So I'm going to show you without the light so you can really see all that blue glitter. Look at the edges. This sucker is beautiful. Right up here where those two counters meet, that is where that seam was. Right there. So we got a bunch of glitter in this. Blue glitter, clear glitter, all kinds of glitter. Look at that. That guy's just glowing. The edges turned out super cool. So I'm going to get Tom back over here on the camera. And I'm going to, it's important to keep up with these drips. Show you that seam from back here. Right there where they intersect. Look at that. Just beautiful. There's no seam there at all. And look at that clarity. Just beautiful. Here you go, Tom. Go ahead and I'm gonna start over here and we're just gonna keep it going. As you keep doing this, you'll notice they're gonna get stiffer and stiffer. It's more gooey now than what it was. I'll show you here when I get to the end. So it's still running, but look at what's not running. Okay, so that's on two different sheets of music there. These pours are all, you know, timed out differently from the first to the fourth. So that's why we're getting the differences. This section of the resin stayed put, the other section is still running. So that's why it's important to keep this method going until there is nothing left to pull off. Just showing the top, brother. To do these drips and everything, it's just really crucial. Really crucial. You want these drips. You want to stay on top of your drips. We hit these drips probably about once every 10 minutes. We stay on top of them until there's no more. Check me out, huh?
Looking fancy.
So it is beautiful, you guys, completely beautiful. So this is about the easiest graphics you can do for a piece, and you know, get it to turn out like what you're wanting. So we love that blue glitter, and the blue glitter, what you don't know, is going to complement the bottom top. The bottom top is not going to be black. It's going to be two different colors. They're both blues. One's a light blue metallic, and the other one is a Maui metallic. So both of those are going to go together and mend really well. And we're going to pour this down here, the lower top, to bring some color over here. Black goes with anything. We got the white and gray veining with the blue glitter to coincide with the light blue metallic and the Maui application down here, and we'll have some white and gray veining on it. And then it just complements our gray here. It complements our accent wall color over there. And then all this got dressed up with that gray life-proof floor. So it's really going to be spectacular. So we're going to save a little bit of video time here left. And we'll bring you back in. I want to get these drips a little closer to being the last of it, and we'll bring you in and show you the absolute finish while we're waiting on this to, you know, do its thing. It'll be sitting like this the rest of the night. Tomorrow we'll come in here and undress every bit of this stuff and get to work on this bottom counter. So we'll bring you right back. All right, you guys, we are back with the finish. This is going to be really close to being the last of the drips. This is probably my 15th, 16th time now. Kid you not. And I'm sure we'll have another. Let me show you. Look. That's what I took off that entire side, and you can see it's still moving ever so slightly. But we are so close, it's not funny. So Tom's going to give you the grand tour, and I'm going to finish this one. But all in all, this sucker is beautiful. Hey, do us a favor. Okay, if you like it, just give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like it. We greatly appreciate it. We put in a lot of time and hard work into this top. And, you know, the goal is so it helps you on your side. But let us know what you think. What do you think, Tom?
I'm loving it.
All right, so Tom's telling me we got about 1 minute left. That's good, because it gives me a second to show you something. Check this out. When you go to get these drips, not only sideways here, but go like backwards. Don't go straight, because it's going to start accumulating and going straight up. So have it at an angle plus bent back. That way any of the excess is running towards the back of your stick underneath, and it's not coming out here messing up that sharp line. So that's it, you guys. Tomorrow we'll bring you back in. We'll undress everything and we'll show you, get all this off, and we'll start working on the other top. Till the next one.